Hello everyone, welcome back to Tech Surfer. So in this video I will show you best Android data recovery software. So this software enables you to recover lost or deleted data, Android's internal and external memory card easily. So follow the step-by-step tutorial. So firstly you have to copy the first link and then you have to go to one of your browser and you have to paste the link here. Then you will come into this interface. So here you can see this, the software name is Schoolmaster Lab Phone for Android. So it is a professional Android recovery software. It enables you to recover lost data from internal and external memory card easily. So it supports Windows 7, 8, 10, 11. It is absolutely free of cost. So firstly you have to fill up the form and you have to click on submit. So I will fill up this form. Firstly provide your name and email address and captcha code. And then click on submit. So this is the license key we will use for this software, and now we have to download the software. So to download this, go to this second link. I will provide all that link in the video description. So copy the link and go to your browser and paste the link here. As you can see this, the software is downloading. It will take a little bit time to download. So the software has been downloaded successfully. Now we have to click on this software and click on yes. Now you have to install the software. So click on next. I agree. Install. So it is installing the software. So installation complete. Click on next and finish. So here is showing that thank you for installing Schoolmaster Lab Phone for Android. So here you can see this is now a trial version. So now we cannot use the premium features of the software. So to use this premium feature you have to register it. So to register, click on this icon and here you can see that it is trial version. So to get the premium version you have to click on register and here you have to provide the email address and license code. So I will provide the email address. In the second box we will provide license key which they have provided. So this is the license key we have get from the official giveaway link. So copy this and paste it in the section. So click on register. So as you can see this, it is showing it you have successfully registered. Thank you for registering. So click on OK and click on OK. So if you go to again the register key and here you can see that this is 1 year subscription from today's date to next year 22 July 2027. So remaining 365 days. So click on OK. So if you don't know how to use this software, so let me know in the comment section. I will provide you the full video. So use this software as much as you can. So thank you so much for your time. If you enjoyed this, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and see you in the next video.